like to thank Tito Sotto, Vic Joey for this recognition po na binigay nyo sa TVJ, kay Daddy, kay Tito Vic, Tito Joey. Simple message lang po na gusto ko iparating ng aming tatlong tatay is sa totoo lang po, it's always been in their heart itong word na to, which is we rise by lifting each other up. Sa totoo lang po, wala naman tayo ibang gustong gawin sa industriyang ito, kundi magbigay ng saya at iangat talaga yung kapwa natin. And our hope and prayer is that we continue to help each other up, maghatakan tayo pataas, because this is the only way for the Philippine cinema to be known all throughout the world. Maraming salamat po for this recognition. We are truly humbled and truly grateful po for this recognition sa TVJ.
Just to, siguro, first of all, thank you again. One thing that I was thinking about kanina on the way here then was a quote. It says, "No person has ever been honored for what they've received. People are honored for what they've given." And TVJ, in the 50 years, this is their 50th year in the industry, they've given so much to comedy, music, film, and television. And receiving things like this, even for us, we're here for our dads, who we're very proud of, is very humbling and very grateful. We're very grateful for it. And so thank you to FDCP, syempre, everyone who they've ever worked with in the industry, and everyone who's ever appreciated their work, and to all of you guys. I guess on behalf of them, then, just to add to Kuya Gis, thank you so much.
Yo,
Actually, wala na akong may dadagdag kasi napakaganda ng mga sinabi nila. I just wanna thank everyone sa lahat ng bumubuo ng FDCP. Maraming salamat po, Tito Tirso, Direk, maraming salamat po. And congratulations, Daddy, Ninong Tito, and Tito Joey. And thank you, God, for everything, God. Thank you.